Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a brand new, just unhooked from the truck, 2018 DRV Mobile Suites. It is the 39 DBRS3 model, forward master bathroom. Very nice floor plan. Come on inside. When we enter straight in here, we have the half bath downstairs with a closet for a stack washer and dryer. Nice big window inside to see the outside and let the light in. Nice solid sink basin. Toilet. Porcelain toilet. Nice heavy doors. Over here we pan around to the dinette area. This has an extension that pulls out. It comes out to about here, pulls out, also extends, has a second leaf. This one's ordered. We order them specific to have the solid wood valances above. Notice the slide is very tall, so we have access and storage all the way across the top. This has the dual insulated windows, the dual MCD shades day and night. Two more extra folding chairs go with the dinette that store underneath the bed for more seating around the dinette table. Cabinets that really work. And the reason why I say that is because most of your other styles in this type of fifth wheel would have that look, but the cabinets are not real because it has an outside entertainment in that area that encroaches into that area. So this does not have the outside entertainment, therefore got more space inside. It's a really handy thing to have. Plenty of lights throughout, the surround sound. This is going to have the nice theater seating, very comfortable seating. Little hidden area there for your TV remotes, cup holders. Nice panoramic view around the whole side of this fifth wheel. Notice the back overhead cabinetry that's lit up top. Glass inlay. Very, very nice cabinetry. Dimmer switch for the living area. Lighting, as well as plenty of lights throughout here. Again, nice big windows, lots of view. Plug-ins on both sides of the couch, so we have plenty of plug-ins for our computers, laptops, whatever. Pan around over here. This is an LG Smart TV. So it's going to have the features of Netflix and the other things that you can have when you have Wi-Fi hooked up. Pre-wired for satellite. The Winegard power antenna with booster. The Sony component system for your stereo, as well as the Sony Blu-ray player. Little hidden desk area here. The soft touch closed drawers. Notice the big hinge work on here on the cabinetry throughout the whole coach. Very, very nice. The fireplace. Now this fireplace also has storage in behind it. The heat goes forward, does not get warm back here, so we don't have to worry about putting stuff back in there. Very, very nice. Storage on both sides. The subwoofer for the surround sound down underneath there. This side has a shelf. So again, tons of storage throughout this whole coach. Tons of lights and tons of plug-ins. Very, very nice residential living. Plug-ins on the end of the islands on both sides. Corian countertops. It's got the nice square cut stainless steel sinks. Very solid. Nice fixtures here. It's got the LED lit trim around and then the LED kick lights down below. We have the dishwasher here. Drawers below. Notice the clear cut plywood you see in here. You don't see a bunch of knots. Nice clear cut plywood that they use for their drawers and their cabinetry, as well as plywood in the floor and in the roof. Another area here that could be a nice pantry with adjustable shelving. Backlit for night to give it a nice elegant look there. This is a little appliance garage here. This one comes with the Voyager digital wireless observation system as well. Our appliance garage here with a plug-in outlet inside, so our cord stays inside. When we're done, we put it away and don't have to leave it out on the counter. Then a nice bank of drawers. Again, nice clear cut plywood, soft touch closed drawers. More cabinetry in the kitchen. Nice solid backlay for a backsplash. It's got the new Furrion cooktop with the cast iron griddle covers. Furrion does a real good job with their connectors. They're sealed connectors, so you know you don't get the corrosion, you don't get the little connection that accidentally fell off. I mean, it's good solid stuff. More cabinets throughout and above. Nice big oven, 3 burners oven there. Under sink storage. Garbage can right there on a pull out. And more drawers. Nice big Whirlpool refrigerator freezer, residential style. This is going to have a dedicated 1000 watt inverter running the refrigerator only, so we'll have plenty of power and it keeps it cold while we're traveling. Nice big deep freeze there. Got the intake for the furnace, cabinetry along both sides there and above the refrigerator. Notice the lighting above the island. Nice 3D look. Everything in here is LED lights, but they did a really nice job with the woodwork. And then around this side of the island, again, nice 3D look with the wood again. Very, very nice job. Dimmer switch lighting in the kitchen. And then it has the overhead, the backlit, the bright LEDs, backlit with the dimmer switch. We talked about the half bath down here. A little bit of a closet area while you're walking in upstairs, right at the doorway, hang up some coats. And then our control panel area that's going to have our fuse box, thermostats, the level control system for the waste tanks. Now that's made by Guaranty, so it's more like a GPS system for the tank levels. We don't have the little nubbins on the inside of the tanks for our solids to get hung up on in the tanks. Therefore, we're going to get a more solid reading, more accurate reading, excuse me, in our tanks as well. This is going to have the power control unit and the energy management system as well. The power on switch. This has the Wi-Fi Ranger on it, as well as the 12-volt heat pads on the tanks. Nice big door here to separate that's backlit with a mirror. You'll see when you come up above, it's got a nice mirror for when we get dressed. This is the master bedroom. Nice big king bed, pillow top mattress, storage beside, independent lighting on both sides. Again, really nice woodwork at the headboard, cabinetry above, windows on both sides on this model, storage. Now, one thing you're going to find with this being a forward master bathroom, a lot of product that's out there, you don't have nearly this much room on both sides of a king bed. Usually you have a minimum of about, or a maximum of about 6 inches on both sides. This one has clearly at least a foot, maybe a foot and a half on the other side. So really a nice walk around when we walk into the forward bath. Again, another big pocket door with the mirror on the one side and a mirror on the other. So it's got a mirror there. Nice big bathroom, nice big shower area with the skylight with shade and light. Plenty of room to move around and sit. Nice adjustable shower arm here. This has the marine style toilet here, and then we have a great big wardrobe, the bifold door there. We have banks of drawers here, little mirror inside, lit, cedar line shoe pockets, hanger rack, built-in safe. And as we walk around in the closet, we got more hanger rack and more shelving. Nice big walk-in closet for a fifth wheel. Super, super nice. Let's go outside and show you some more. Some of the construction features on this unit. This is built with a box tube frame rail system. So it starts on the bottom with a 2x3 box tube, 2x6, 2x6 on top of that box tube. So we got a total of about 2x15 frame rail for the living area. And then our transition for our upper deck bedroom area starts about here and goes all the way out, instead of most of them just coming from there to here. So solid unit. You know, when it comes down to construction, we can talk about floor plans and whatnot, but this is truly, I believe, the best built fifth wheel out there. If they don't have the right floor plan, well, maybe it's not for you. They have a lot to choose from, but it is definitely one of the best built, constructed fifth wheels you're going to find out there. 3 1/4 inch walls, wool insulation instead of pink Panther fiberglass insulation. We got access panels through here. Notice the furnace where they build their own ducting system off of it. So from here forward is added to it that they do at DRV to modify the furnace system, so we have equal heating throughout. We don't have hot and cold spots throughout the trailer. It's evenly distributed. Nice big basement. You'll notice the heat duct up underneath there going full forward to the bathroom, just like residential. Auto leveling system. This has the LCI auto leveling system. We have the vanity here, that's the slide out. Automotive paint finish, so it's basically it's paint throughout with a clear coat over it. So really nice job. You don't feel, you know, any lips between the color transitions. Did a real nice job there. This is a one-piece cap from here all the way to here, and then they use another single cap from here wrapping up around the nose. So it's not pieces that are going to hang or come loose, because it's a molded one-piece cap. This one's going to have the gen prep, so we got the box already there for a generator if we want to add a generator. Our control systems are here. 6-volt batteries on a pull-out tray, battery disconnect switch there, and then our hydraulic system there for our slide outs and leveling system. The MoreRide pin box, very nice. Probably the best pin box you can buy to be pulling our fifth wheel around. Big 10-gallon propane tanks on a pull-out tray. Pull-out tray makes it a lot easier to be able to take them out and fill them, or have them filled just to be able to access them. When I talk about the wall construction being 3 1/4 inch thick, that just means that it's going to have a better insulation factor than anything else out there with a thinner wall. The off-door sides underneath area. Again, here we show the water manifold system. That way, if we have a leak in a faucet, we can't get parts right away. We can turn that portion off and still have water to the whole coach, where, you know, I don't know anybody else that's doing that. That is a copper manifold system. Some are using a different material, substandard, maybe plastic or something, but this is the top grade stuff here. Heat duct blowing on there, low point drains easy to get to, full house filtration system that's filtering the water before it gets through, so it's not filling up all your plumbing systems with the residue that you get when you go down south maybe and get a lot of residual in your water system. Gate valves are inside here. This has a gray and a black tank flush, so we get a hook up, and when we're dumping we can flush both gray and black tanks, not just the black. Large gas and electric hot water heater. A little bit of extra storage area here, maybe for drain hoses, tools, or whatnot there. 17.5 H-rated tires, Goodyear, with the tapered wheels and lug nuts. So basically that helps you so that lug nut should not and will not ever back off, because when you torque it down with the tapered lug nuts, they will not back off on you. Notice the frameless windows. Don't have any frames around the outer edge. Dual insulated windows. Cord reel with a 50 amp cord service. So this one's got 2 air conditioners up top, so got plenty of juice for that. Ladder, another one-piece end cap against the back. Sorry for the dirt, folks, but it just came in from Indiana this morning, so have not washed it. Has the 2x2 receiver hitch with the trailer plug, as well as the backup camera. And then there's an LED light there too we can turn on if we got something going on at nighttime or we're hitching up a trailer at nighttime. We have the ability to see. All LED lights, interior and exterior. Another little storage pocket underneath here for tools or whatnot. These folks at DRV just try to utilize all the space that they can, whether it be for storage, canned goods, dishware, whatnot. If there's a space to put a cabinet, they'll do it. And then the slide here, kind of tight in here, but that kind of does it in a nutshell. It's a rather quick video on this product. Normally it would take me a good half hour to walk around and show you the whole thing and point out the features and benefits, but I pointed out a few. If you have any further questions, feel free to call me at 541-979-1770. Again, that's Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. Thank you and have a great day.